Brushing your teeth twice a day is an important part to having healthy teeth. Every dentist and hygienist will say do it at least twice. If you can do it 3 times, even better. But they say you have to also either floss or even better, use a water pick. But if you used a water pick before, you know how messy they are, and that cleanup afterwards is just totally not worth it. Well, what if I tell you there is a great product on the market that puts that mess in the place where it should be, in the shower. Today we're going to take a look at the ToothShower. Let's check it out. Welcome friends, my name is Eric. You're watching Modern Day Reviews. I want to thank the fine folks over at ToothShower for sending me out a review in it, but that's not going to sway my opinion in one way or another. If I don't like something, I'm definitely going to let you know. I'm also going to leave a link down below to my full pros and cons list on my website, so definitely check that out. If I have a promo code for a discount, I will leave that in the comments. Let's go ahead and jump into the review. So everything that you'll need to set this up and get up and working is inside the box. There's a nice color brochure and instruction manual that it walks you straight through the process. It's actually very easy. Don't get overwhelmed by this. I know if you're not a plumber, it might be a little overwhelming, but I guarantee that anyone can do this. They include the 3M adhesive tape so you can glue this onto your shower, but if you really want to, you can drill holes and screw this into, but I don't recommend that unless you know what you're doing. They also include a low roll of plumber's tape because you'll have to install the ToothShower water diverter, which I'll show you how to do in just a moment. They also include washers, the hose, the handle, which by the way, this is the new ToothShower 2.0, which includes the new handle, which is it's a new design. I guess you would call it more open air. It has these cuts in it and it feels great in the hand. And then depending on if you bought the single suite or the couple suite, you'll either get 3 or 6 attachments, which each suite includes a water flosser that everyone's used to. Then they also have the dual head toothbrush, which honestly I didn't love. And then they have the innovative 7-stream gum massager, which I kind of enjoyed, but honestly I would just use the water flossing tip. To install a ToothShower is quite easy, but you will have to remove your current shower head. If it's old, now's a good time to replace it like I did. You want to find a good spot for the ToothShower and make sure the hose can reach the top of your shower head. You can put it on the right, you can put it on the left. It's totally up to you where you want to place it. Go ahead, remove the backing of the ToothShower. You can do that by just pushing up on it, and you can see it's just this plastic piece. Go ahead, break out that 3M tape, apply it to the backing of the ToothShower like I did here, and then go ahead, get a little alcohol pad and just clean off the tile. Push the backing on the tile, give it a nice firm push, and then come back about 24 hours once the glue has dried. In the meanwhile, let's go ahead and remove your old shower head. If you have an old towel laying around, I definitely highly recommend that you use it. That way you're not scratching up the shower head. Put a little pipe wrench around the nut and just go ahead and undo it. It's extremely easy to do. Go ahead and apply the plumber's tape clockwise and install the ToothShower diverter by hand. Once that nut gets tight, you can break out the towel and once again tighten it with the pipe wrench and towel on top of it so you don't scratch it up. I do want to mention one thing about this diverter is that it will not cut off water to the ToothShower. It only cuts off water to the main shower head. I think they did this because if you're on well water, you might need a little bit more pressure to the ToothShower, but personally I'm on public water and I didn't have issues whatsoever with the water pressure. Going back to the install, if you have it already, go ahead, put the plumber's tape clockwise on the other 2 threads, both to the shower head and also the ToothShower. Once it's been 24 hours, go ahead and mount the body to the backing of the shower head to the wall. Install the hose to the ToothShower. Don't forget the little washer, otherwise you will have a leak. Tighten it up with a towel and a pipe wrench. Install your old shower head, or if you bought a new one, go ahead and install the new one. And if the hose is too far away from the wall, they do include a clip for the hose to keep it along the wall. But that's it. The install is done. So let's go ahead and check out what this thing can do. So one of the first things you'll notice is the doors on the side, which I call wings. This is just a place to put your accessories. If you guys got the couples, you can keep one on one side, the other on the other side. On the top is another door with a little mirror. The mirror is too small to really use for anything. It's a nice touch, but honestly, it's way too small. Another part in there is where you're supposed to put your toothpaste, but unfortunately that area is too small. Also, you really can't store anything in there. Nice touches, but really can't use that top section at all. On the front is the mount for the handle, which is really nice. Right below that is a little valve to turn on and off the water. This also controls the water pressure just a little bit, but if you are on well water, you might have to turn off the diverter, which I mentioned earlier, but personally I did not have issues whatsoever. Overall, I gotta give this a 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for a couple months now and I love it. I love that there's no batteries, there's no water container you have to fill up, and most of all, there's nothing to clean up because you're already in the shower. If you guys have any questions, definitely check out my full pros and cons list down below and also my affiliate link, or hit me up on my Twitter account at ModernDayTech. Thanks for watching. See you next time.